Another great Muskokan tradition is the wintertime sport of ice beer bowling. Any lake, any piece of ice, and any brand of beer will do. What happens is you need to have the person who challenges the other person crack a beer. The person who cracks the beer gets to throw the target, and he gets to go second. The closest person to the target does not drink. The other person drinks all. Let's demonstrate. Here's the target. Empty. Full. Full. Competitor. Challenge.
Competitor's beer. That
Okay.
says it all. Canadian. This is the target throw, ladies and gentlemen. Getting the balance of the bottle. He's checking the lay of the land. He's checking the speed of the wind. The trajectory. He's getting ready. Amazing shot, ladies and gentlemen. Disappeared right off the lens.
The challenge is to a molten Canadian. The competitor will throw Coors Light. Okay, we're set. This is the starting line. The competitor's approaching.
That was quite the target shot there, Wayner. Judging from the wind. Judging from the lay of the ice. I'd say I can hit this one and clink it, thus causing you to have to suck back your entire contents of your body.
How do you feel about that shot, competitor?
Well, within 10 feet.
Uh-huh. What's next?
Well, now, the person that threw the target has to come back and see if they can get closer to the target way out there than I just did.
Okay.
The originator of the shot now has to compete with the competitor's shot, try and get closer. If he doesn't get closer, then he has to drink the entire contents of the beer bottle that we opened earlier. He's setting up now for the shot. There's no hope. As we can see, the beer bottle by him has just hit the rocks over by the far shore. Thus, without doing any measuring whatsoever, you can see that the competitor has won, and that now the loser will have to drink the beer. This being the loser, that being the beer. Another popular game we play here up in Muskoka is King of the Castle. In King of the Castle, the strongest, most durable, conquering type throw everybody else off of the castle, in this case being a deer stand, located around 10 feet up above the losers down below. There's the peasant, here's the king. And the prevailing party tells the people down below what to do, as in like, drink your beer, you sluthead! And they usually do what you tell them to. See? How it works. I'm the king. This is my castle. There's the peasant. throwing things. They're throwing rice. The only problem with playing King of the Castle, sometimes spoiled sport, sometimes spoiled sports that don't get their way. Spoiled sports who are not up in the castle get all testy and waste their beer because the people up in the castle have won. Namely me. Loser. Winner. Loser.
All dry?
Loser.
All dry? All wet.
Winner. Beer is part of the new shampoo we're promoting next week on Muskoka Living.